For generations, no childhood is complete without a few fond memories of time spent eating cotton candy. It's a nostalgic, tasty treat that makes people smile even before their first bite. Cotton candy's origins date back centuries, but it wasn't until 1897 when dentist William Morrison invented a machine to spin cotton candy that mass production was possible. Fairy Floss debuted at the 1904 World's Fair and was an overnight sensation, selling more than 68,000 boxes for just $0.25 apiece. In 1994, Patrick Folco and his wife Melissa founded Fun Sweets, and from the very beginning, the company's been on a mission to make the world's best cotton candy.
I first ate cotton candy when I was a young child. Vividly see it on a stick. It was a fun event. It cemented itself into my mind's eye.
I happened to be looking through some really old pictures, and I found a picture when I was 3, and the 3 of us were at like a farm, and I was eating cotton candy. So it was like a foreshadow.
I think that's why I have a warm spot in my heart for the cotton candy business.
Fun Sweets' reputation is built on innovation. In 2000, they revolutionized the industry when they were the first to pack cotton candy in colorful plastic tubs. Later, when business volume outgrew the company's legacy manufacturing methods, Fun Sweets invented the Cottonator, the world's first automated industrial cotton candy manufacturing machine. Soon, with the Cottonator churning out cotton candy at a rapid rate, a new challenge emerged. The higher production yield exposed an overmatched pack line.
Before we installed the first Combi machine, our pack lines were extremely manual.
You're talking a lot of manual work, a lot of doing repetitive work.
We had a person for pretty much every process of the pack situation.
People having to reach for product.
We would pre-make boxes.
Turn around, tape a box.
And then again, you making the box by hand.
Stacks of boxes behind all the techs.
It was a lot harder for me to keep this place full with employees to actually do the packing.
It was hectic. When you have product coming down the line at a rapid speed, if you can't get them through your pack line quick enough, you can imagine the pileup that happened.
That's when Fun Sweets called Combi.
Fun Sweets' partnership with Combi to get this project finished has been a wonderful experience.
So I'm very close with all the workers, and you could even hear the feedback with everybody. And it's just, even though you're making something automated, it's easier for them.
The ease of use and the ergonomics of the machine are what it's all about for us.
While Fun Sweets delivers smiles you can taste, Combi delivers smiles you can measure, crafting custom pack lines for both peak performance and rapid ROI.
And I love to see the candy going down the conveyor belt, pushing itself across the accumulation portion. After the carton's been erected, it goes down the line to get taped.
And then they go and they put their stuff in there, and it tapes up and comes back out.
And kicked off at the end, somebody at the bottom end puts it on a pallet. It just looks like a Willy Wonka factory.
Not surprisingly, Fun Sweets has been the #1 selling brand of cotton candy in the United States since 2009. Cotton candy isn't just eaten, it's experienced at all ages in countries and cultures around the globe. And with Combi's help, every Fun Sweets product is handled, packed, stacked, and wrapped to confection perfection. Now that's worth smiling about.